Hi, I'm Karen Kruschka, Associate Broker with RE/MAX Olympic Realty. Let me show you what happened when Tropical Storm Lee met the Occoquan Reservoir and River. On most summer days, the Occoquan Reservoir is peaceful and ready for recreation. Northern Virginia high school crews use it to train and compete. And, of course, there's the weekend small boat traffic jams. After 5 days of Lee's torrential downpour, the 2,100-acre reservoir overflowed its banks. The launch ramp dock was damaged. When all that excess water flowed over the dam, the downstream Occoquan River became a raging torrent on its way to the Potomac. It also overflowed its banks, flooding the town of Occoquan. Mother Nature sent Lee packing, and the reservoir will soon return to providing clean water and recreation. Thank you for joining me.